Alright, so I've just come from a cooking class this morning. This lovely little lady, she took us around the markets just behind me, Campbell Street and Chaurasta Market, which is just a little bit further down.
This area initially was a Malay cemetery. Very nice.
Thanks.
Full of sugar, natural sugar from the coconut. So I have a convenient anchovies, red squid, red shrimp, jicama, guava, ambra, mango.
Hey. Picked up a few fresh ingredients and took them back to the workshop, which is a kitchen that actually looks over a corner of the market, which was really cool. It made 4 little dishes, ate them all.
The color will change and we will whip. The texture is interesting, it's like squid.
It's just what? It's just a mushroom.
Yeah, it's mushroom.
Amazing.
You can take a pinch, taste it, very nice. Just stir, put 3 prawns, don't stir, let it char on the side. So that all the sauces is evenly distributed, resist the temptation to stir. Wait until the egg almost set. Very fresh. Ta-da! And then put a
Now I'm super full trying to walk it off.